So I just found out something when I tried to charge the device, then use this plug, use this one, use this one here, and then plug it here. I found out that it's kind of loose. So I tried to push it further because maybe it would lock up this plug here, but it doesn't. So it's so loose here. So see, so I tried to push it, but it doesn't go down or doesn't lock properly. So I don't know if I am missing something here, but this is the one that I found out. So just be careful when you are going to charge, and just make sure that it's really locked, or just maybe push it further just to avoid it to loosen up and not charge properly. So what I'm doing right now is okay, so I pushed it further. So oh, there you go. But yeah, you still have to exert effort in order for it to lock. So okay, so now I'm pulling it out, and it's harder to pull out already. So I guess you still have to push further and make an effort to lock it down. There we go. Okay, so there, so you need to just push it properly, because the first time you're going to, maybe you have an impression that it doesn't lock properly. So yep, push it again, push it further, and then now it locks. And then charge it. So I was able to charge this last night, and then got 100% already. So there you go. It would show there that it's being charged 100%. And later on, I'm going to try other devices to charge here and also here, but maybe I'm just going to use these ones here so that I'll maximize the energy. And so yeah, so that is my experience on the charger here. So you just need to push it further or harder. And so remember I said that there was rubber here underneath this one. It's kind of tight. So this is, I think this is a granite tabletop. So when you push it further, or when you're going to push it, it's really tight. So it's kind of stable. And oh, there you go. I just heard something. So maybe it says, maybe it's an indicator that it has been charged 100% already.